For more information, see the description below. Namaste. Okay, now we go for Samshaya.
Yes, Samshaya.
Samshaya. Okay.
Tell me, read it. Nirdharitanam
Arthanam.
Next word. You must tell.
Arthanam Avya.
Correct.
Avyavastha
Tu samshaya.
Samshaya.
Nirdharitanam. Nirdharitanam. Tanam. Explained. Nirdharidana means explained.
Explain.
Arthanam. Subject matters.
Arthanam.
Subject matters.
Okay.
Avyavastha. Non-confirmation. Non-confirmation.
Okay.
Vyavasthiti is confirmation, establishment, right? Avyavastha means not confirmation. Tu samshaya. See the example, which example this person has given samshaya?
Samshaya.
See, read that example.
Sadhya yorapi samyogo. What is that?
Balinoho yatyasadhyatam. Yatyasadhyatam. Yati plus asadhyatam.
Okay. So it's saying about diseases in child.
Two sadhya rogas.
Yes.
Okay. If they are coming together,
Okay.
then what will happen? It may change into asadhya.
Okay.
Next one. Vidyat. Vidyat.
Okay, vidyad.
You tell vidyat.
Okay, okay, because of this one, right.
Vidyat.
Asadhyam
Eva.
eva
Eva.
Ataha. Okay. Sadhya. Sadhya.
Samagamam.
Samagamam.
You know what's the meaning of samagamam?
They go together. Gama.
Yes. When sadhya and asadhya going together,
Okay.
what will happen? Asadhyameva. It will become asadhya only. One sadhya roga along with one asadhya roga, certainly the final result is asadhya only.
It will result.
Yeah.
Okay.
Two sadhyas, if they are very strong, it also can become asadhya.
Okay. Na asadhya.
Asadhya.
Na sadhya.
Na asadhya.
Na sadhya. Sadhyatam.
Tam.
Yapi. Yati.
Sadhyo.
Sadhyaha. Right?
Sadhya. Yati.
Yati.
Split the word.
Yaha plus. Okay.
Yati. Yati, how will you split? It is verb.
You said to me to split.
Split to the word next word. Split to the next word. Twasadhyatam. Split to the word.
Twasadhyatam.
Sensibly you think you will split.
There is sadhya there. Okay.
You split carefully. You see the word.
Twa.
Clearly you will split it. Then you have learned Sanskrit.
Sadhya.
Read twice the word. You will get.
Twasadhyatam.
Come on. Which will be the second word? Which will be the second word?
in my brain would be toi plus
No. Read once again. You read.
toi sadhyatam.
Which will be the second word?
Is not tam there.
Say second word. You read once again the word.
Everything. Toi sadhyatam.
Twasadhyada. Twasadhyada.
Sadhya.
Which will be the second word?
So it's not. This is sadhya.
Hey, forget about it. You read the word.
Toi sadhyatam.
Read the second. Tell the second word. You're reading perfectly. Then why can't you tell the second word? Twasadhyada. Which is the second word? You don't stop. Twasadhyada. Together you are reading. Yeah. Which is the second word? You are reading perfectly the word. Why can't you split it? Reading is itself is perfect when you split it. Twasadhyada. Which is the second word?
Because my brain is fixed in toi.
It is asadhyada. Second
Okay.
word is asadhyada.
Toi.
Which will be if second word is asadhyada. What
So
will-
this is going to be 2 plus asadhyatam.
So asadhyada cannot become sadhyada, but sadhyada can become
Okay.
asadhyada. You see, if two sadhyarogas, strong sadhyarogas join together,
They
it
can
can become
become
asadhya.
asadhya.
One sadhya and asadhya certainly will become asadhya.
Okay, but
Like this.
asadhya will never become sadhya, that's for sure. Okay.
Yes. Next one is
Pada pa what? That. Pada pa
Padapacharad.
okay.
Padapacharad.
Pacharad.
Dosh.
This is not dosh. This is desh.
Daivacha. Daivacha.
So this is the
Daiva. That is printing problem. Daivacha. Daivacha.
Daivacha. Yan.
It's split the word. Let me see.
Yantya.
Yantya.
So it's going to be
Yanti. Yanti plus. I splitted first word. Yanti. Next, which will be the next word?
yan.
Yanti. I split.
Okay.
You tell me the second
So
word.
it's going to be
Ah.
avastha avastantaram.
Rem. Correct. Yanti.
Ro-
Yadi Bahuvachanam means
Ya-
Yanti. Go.
Okay.
Avastandaram. Other condition.
Okay.
Other condition. So he telling that either Pada Apajarat or Daiva. You know what is the meaning of Pada Apajarat? Apajaram?
Probably it's going to be mundane because Daiva is going to be
Fate.
Okay.
Tell me what will be then Pada Apajaram? What is the meaning of Apajaram? You should know, astrology person. Apajaram.
I think this is going to be created by his behavior or something like this.
Apacharam means not the achara. Wrong achara is called apacharam. So
Okay.
by following the apachara or apachara karmas
Okay.
or fate,
Okay.
any disease can roga. What is this?
Ragaha. Not Ragaha, Radha.
Gadaha. This
Okay.
printing problem. Gadaha. Diseases can go to the other condition. So, first line he is telling that either apachara or daiva, what will happen? The disease can go to the other condition. Here you cannot confirm. It is samshaya whether it is going to remain the same or another thing you cannot. So, see, read the next word. Cha shabdo atra vikalpe. See,
Okay.
apacharad daivad cha.
Okay.
Whenever cha is used, we will think that and. But
Okay.
here it is used with vikalpa. You know what is a vikalpa? Which is the way used for vikalpa? Va is used for vikalpa. What is the meaning of va? Meaning? Don't turn. What is the word meaning of va? Va is an avyaya. What is the meaning of meaning va? You wrote at the
Or.
end. Ah, yes.
And then not wrote in the end. But I
Yeah,
should
you in
write.
the way you added, I think. You see, you would have added. You see, among the V's, did you add one? No.
It's there in another.
Acha. So va is in avya, cha is in avya. Va is generally used with the meaning or, but cha is used with the meaning and. But in this context, it is the meaning of the cha is va.
There is
So it
one,
is samshaya, na?
one
When you are
Abhyaya that it
searching-
was very important about Chai and Va.
Yes, yes.
I really wrote that.
So cha
This
is
one.
not always gives the meaning and. Sometimes it gives the meaning or.
Tradition. Okay.
Okay. So he is not confirming that it is because of Avjara or it is because of Deva. Sometimes because of the Avjara, sometimes because of the Deva. The diseases can change its avastha from sadhya to asadhya. So here always we will get the doubt that either this or that, right?
Yes. This is very crazy that N can become or.
Yes. See, that is what is I told you. Unless and until you know the text and the subject matter, you cannot get the meaning with the dictionary.
So this is doubt.
The context is very important. How will you understand that here and will not come? Because many cases Abhajara alone leads the Sadhya Roga into Asadhya Roga. Many places no Abhajara at all, still the Sadhya became Asadhya. It is not because of the Abhajara, there it is because of the fate. Yes, Vithi. So it is very clear, the Cha cannot be and, it can be only or. So the Cha is giving Vigalpartha. In this context we can confirm.
So this is the doubt about the result that will come
Whether
because
it is
there is a
Abhajara
lot
or-
of
yes.
different.
Yes. That is samshaya, na? When my Sadhyaroga became Asadhya, I don't know whether it is because of the Avjara or it is because of Vidhi.
Giving open results.
Yeah. He is not confirming that this is because of Avjara and this is because of Vidhi. So there will be samshaya for the learner.
Several possibilities.
Yeah.
On stick.
So I think clear for you? Angota. Kalyana.
So it's sadhya plus sadhya may become a sadhya. Sadhya.
Two sadhyas with strong symptoms can become a sadhya.
Okay.
So,
Sadhya plus asadhya.
yes. Sadhya plus asadhya, certainly it is going to be changed to asadhya.
Asadhya.
Okay. And sometimes,
Okay.
because of the abhajara or because of the vidhi, the conditions of the diseases changes from sadhya to asadhya.
Okay.
So, here all possibilities only, there is no confirmation by the author. Thus, this can be taken as an example for samshaya. Clear?
Okay.
So, he is not establishing, he is telling that maybe because of this, maybe because of that, maybe because of that one, maybe because of that. Clear?
Clear.
So, such tandraitis are called samshaya tantra. So, it is your ability to use the logic and find out what is the real reason behind it. The author is not giving you the confirmed reason. Clear? So, samshaya tantra is clear for you. So, in samshaya tantra generally which word, which abhyaya will be there? Va abhyaya possibility is there. Correct? You can think like that, right? Clear?
Okay.
Some word will be, some abhyaya or some word will be there to show the vigalpa artha. Vigalpa artha means the artha or in English. Or is always vigalpa, na? Either he or she or he or he or she or he. Right?
Okay. clear.
Yeah. Come on, next.
Next.